Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add friends in Cookie Run Kingdom. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To add a friend in Cookie Run Kingdom, the first thing you need to do is open the Cookie Run Kingdom app on your mobile device. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the Friends icon located at the top right corner. This will open the Friends menu. From the left side, make sure to select the Friends tab. Now, tap on the Add button at the bottom of the screen. Here, you can either browse for players or directly search for your friend's ID to send a friend request. You can also view how many requests you've sent and how many are pending here. If you want to remove a friend later, simply tap on the Manage button in the Friends section. Your full friend list will appear, and you can manage it from there. However, if you're trying to search for your friend and nothing shows up, it likely means your friend is on a different server. Cookie Run Kingdom doesn't allow cross-server interactions, and you cannot change your server after account creation. So, if you really want to play together, you'll need to create a new account on the same server as your friend. That's the only way to connect and enjoy the game together. And that's all you need to know. So that's basically how you can add friends in Cookie Run Kingdom. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.